Bakhe uMakhumalo, uMangwabi, uMayeni asho into engimlimaze ngayo mina. Njengoba ngithi ngokubona kwami ngababona bona as if yini ophushe indoda yabo ukuthi ithathe number 5. Bekuba khona ukukhuluma nezinto lokungizidlulisa engikhathele manje.
Okay.
Manje ngikhathele bandla.
Okay.
Makudlalwa nje sigadeni singasadlalela manje itshene efana.
Okay.
Hlaleni enamel iningi kakhulu.
Okay.
Hlaleni ngayo.
Okay.
Ake ngiphendule nje kona noma ngingekho interested kuyona. Mina ngizosuyela because umthombeni ufika athi uthi ungacela mengingayenzi into yokuthatha unkosikazi kushuthi angisamhloniphi, angisamlaleli because ngangenza kuyena.
Mina ngibone number 5. Ngase ngiyambuza ubhuti uthi yena akamboni into number 4.
Yabo Mthombeni. Mhlawumbe umkhulu walanda intokazi wayiletha la. Hayi noma ngabe bekuthiwa ngisathatha ngiyoyithatha. Mthombeni, umhlonipho mamkhulu. La mfana ngibenza njalo. Lo mamkhulu ngimdlulise endaweni enzima kakhulu. Mina ukuthi ngimthatha number 5.
Ulele ngithi ngiyavuma mangivuma.
Amandla okungeniswa komuntu noma ngabe ngiyafuna alele kuwena.
uMaqele last seasons nje adlule wathi she's not interested.
But if ukhona noma akekho, I'm not worried about that.
Kuthe kusuka uMaqele wathi akalandwe unumber 5 nabantu bakubo. So leyo nto nje vele paint a picture yokuthi she's behind everything. Umthombeni wambuza ukuthi how la kusesibona ko TV kunabantu bayalotsholwa kwenzakalani nathi Umthombeni angazi ngangigula naleyo mali angazi ukuthi bayithatha phi kuyokhokho. So bani waye behind ama finances and everything kuyokhokho.
Hey, I'm so surprised. Hibo. Noma sekuthiwa akazi inkosi yambali ukuthi sengaze ngibe nanemali iyobolobolela umuntu iyobe ivelaphi ngiqale manje le bamndabe sikuphi lana kwenzakalani ngididekile nje kakhulu Nkosi yami ayididekile bandla ngifuna ungasho
Indaba yokuthatha unkosikazi noma
Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we speak and discuss anything and everything under the sun. No topic here is off limits, on limits or unlimited. We speak about anything and everything. So therefore, we're going to ask you as our person, our member who's part of us, to like the videos, to press like, to comment, and to watch the adverts so that we're gonna be able to deliver and make time for you. And anyway, I say collab. Okay, I understand where Mangwabe is coming from. Let's discuss this. Ukuthi who actually paid ilobola lika Samge Makwela? But guys, let's be honest. Mangwabe understand where she's coming from. She's just angry. She's just angry for the fact ukuthi umndeni wakaMacele is part of that, part of this, and they were okay with Umselegu ethatha number 5. But then the question is, nihlanganapi? Who are you guys? Why are you even endorsing the fact ukuthi Umselegu wants to take number 5? Nina as abantu bakacele. But I fully understand why uMacele will be part of it. I mean, after uMacele, there have been 4 wives or something like that, including the one who passed on, and she accepted all of them. Therefore, it's only fair for Umselegu to go to Macele and say, what you say, my mother, saying it to my mother, but nah, what you say, Mam Kulu, it goes. If Mam Kulu says, I want you to take number 5, it's okay. But yes, as Macele trying to come back to this wife, or as we say, their own medicine, yes, she is doing that. Why would Umacele have a reason of hating number 5 or /number 6, whereby Esalonya Bafaza Bangag? It makes sense, but I don't think obviously ukuthi uMacele paid ilobola lasamke akazange alikhokhe ilobola lasamke. However, into ayenzile is the fact ukuthi acceptile wa endorsa into efunwa uhusband wakhe. Yebo, behind I believe ukuthi ukwenzele just to inspire the wives at the end of the day, because uMacele realize ukuthi no man laba bamfuna omunye wife, so what's the reason why bengamfuni? So I mean, I'm gonna accept and I'm gonna endorse her, and then she's gonna be part of the family. It does not matter ukuthi these other wife bathini or benzenjani. I think that's the reason, and that's actually what actually happened. Now, why Mangwabe thinks ukuthi uMacele paid ilobola? Because uMseleko lied. And uMseleko lied and then said akazi nokuthi kwenzakalani waye good. Yes, he was sick, but he paid the lobola himself. Edward is uMseleko. Bekuyimali yakhe uMseleko le akhokhele ngayo ilobola.
Manje mina umuzi kaFlo ngifuna nomuntu obulele, because ngithi omama abanye bohlala kwenye indawo kodwa lapha ekhaya kwaMseleko fanele kuvalwe. Uyazi into ebuhlungu ukuba bayangihleka la.
Kade ngithombe neshintshe izathu zokuthathwa kwabantu. Kwake kwaba yimina nje isizathu for iminyaka eminingi. Zothatha omunye unkosikazi ngangifuna azalele uMakhumalo.
Uma ngabe ungekho umzamo engikwenza, uma ngalibeka nje lime ukuthi nginakuthi umuzuzu. Bekulo bekuya ngami bengiyothola umunye umuntu akakhumalo. Ngifisa ukuthatha unkosikazi omunye.
Mhlawumbe isizathu sakho yini esenze ufuna umunye unkosikazi?
Ayisathu sokuthi ngizame ukwandisa umuzi. Umbono kahle kahle lo ikona ithi ufuna ukuhamba lendlela yokugana omunye unkosikazi.
Siyasiqala ngoba sekuzwakala ngathi kumele nivume ngoba bengenzela nina into enhle, therefore nani ke anikwazi ukungikhahlelele eminyango ngalolu daba. Cha bo
uyiqalela into sikhona ekhaya ungakakhulumi nangento yokuthenga imizi. Uba Mndabe ubefuna nje iqiniso kuphela, but
angithi mina ngilidayo
iphutha lelo lisho.
Angithi mina ngilidayo ukuthi uzosuka kwaMseleko uyohlala la uhleli khona. Yimina olidayo. Ngicabanga angithi ngidiscuss lento nayo. Ngoba uma ngidiscuss naye izoba ipressure ukuthi wangithembisa wena Mseleko wangakwenza ukuthi.
Hayi bandla
Manje asikwazi umuzi kaFlo ubulala. Uthi kancane nje kuyihlazo elikhulu ukuthi bona babhizi bayakhuluma. Noma ngabe bakhuluma ngani, kodwa bekufanele sinikeze inhlonipho efanele ukuthi sisemhlanganweni.
No, I like Mndabe, you know, I'm saying like,
No, I support Mseleko fully, but Namango Mseleko. Mseleko is a liar. Mseleko is a liar. Mseleko. But I understand. So I think amanga can understand that. I mean, they make sense. Now, Mseleko lied. And Mseleko is now lying about why she took. The question here was like, after the kulumda ba ukuthi ke uMacele ethi ukuthi yini becount yena walobola lo nkosikazi lo nto uMacele uyaphika ukuthi akuyona imali yakhe leni. So therefore babundaba kuyabuza ukuthi why then it was there a need for number 5, because at the end of the day you are saying nje kwakulida wena ukwazi usethi let's start to get like kasisho ke sisha ke ukuthi because the wives were going to leave the house, the umuzi kaFlo, therefore Samke came to stay kwaFlo. Come on, I'm telling you. I'm your supporter, I'm your number one fan. I always try to make sure that I see the reason why you do things. I think on your behalf, I think beyond, and I want to explain to my listeners, to my viewers, why when I listen to, but I can't anymore. I can't anymore. Like I cannot explain anymore. Why is Mseleko lying about this? Ngiyes understand leso qala. The reasons like dali wona ngempela yewasho ukuthi ufuna ukukhulisa umuzi, uzama ukuvusa nomuzi kaMakhumalo and all of that. Those were the reasons why he kept on saying he wants to take the number 5. There were no any other reason. Manje lesithathe sisha lesi sokuthi athi the reason it's because no. There were no plans from the beginning when the show started. When you guys nihlale lapha eMzombe, there was no fame. Nabo Makhumalo babedidizela babengazi nexi, omangwabe bewonesi. So there was nothing. There was nothing. They were happy. There were no cameras involved. There were no social media for them. We didn't know them, these people. Bebehleli in peace. Safika ke thina ke safaka imbono ke saposta ke saposta ke njengoba sikhuluma nje njengamanje. So kwangasona isizathu leso at all ukuthi no one thought ukuthi they would leave. Kwabona ngiyazi bakhulele ePortshepstone bazalele ePortshepstone, that's what they know ilife yabo. So obviously money change and everything, hence ke sebela njengamanje. But uMseleko uyathanda uqamba amanga, and now it's just uyabasaba uMseleko abafazi bakhe akakwazi ukukhuluma iqiniso. UMseleko cannot sit and stand still and say lento le ngiyenzile. So I understand when he says his style of leadership is very unique and his style of leadership is very soft, because soft ngalondlela ukuthi mayebona ukuthi he's saying something abafazi bayalwa, he changes. He goes and do something else and say something else. No, hlala lento oshilo Mseleko, ngithatha umfazi, cha wena Thobile ngangithathela wena ukuthi ngifuna ukuvusa umuzi wakho, and 2 ngangithathela the first ukuthi ngifuna umuzi kaFlo uqhubeke. That's it. Abakulumeke bekuluma bakushaya bekushaya, but you can't keep on doing that. And then now uyambuza ngicela why unqabela amanga useyasho Nkosi yami sekhuluma iqiniso lokuthi I shared it because obviously they were shouting at me. Labafazi bayamthethisa uMseleko and he can't do anything much, guys, and I understand why he's lying. Thanks so much for pulling through. Yes, there's another episode still coming where we discuss the medical bills, which this is not the episode. I'll see you shortly.
Yes, angisayazi answer engayinikezayo kodwa ngangifuna ukuthi kusukwe kumina manginikeze answer, because uyabona umelwe ugula kuthiwa walobola wena wathi uliwa, you will give an answer.